Hello, welcome to another session with OCD. Welcome to my workshop. So today I've just given the M40i a maintenance wash and was just about to go over and clean all my door jambs, clean and protect them. Haven't done it for a while. I don't protect them on every wash. I give them a quick once over, I suppose, when I do a maintenance wash. But it's been a while, so I thought I'd go over it and give them a good clean and protect today. And what I thought I'd do, I just thought I'd share it with you. I was just about to do it, and I thought I'll put the camera on and we'll go through it together. Now, what I used to do, I always used to use spray wax and wax all the inside of the doors. But the problem with that's great, but the problem that I find with it is that you can't get into every little nook and cranny within the door jamb. So what I do now, I use my foamer. I've got Gary Therapy 1 car shampoo in there, so I'll put that through a foamer with a little detailing brush, and then I rinse it down, and then I use a spray on rinse off sealant. Now the one I'm using today is Bouncer's Bead Juice, but you use whatever one you prefer, but that's the one that I decided to use today. So I thought I'd just share that with you. So let's go and crack on, shall we? Okay, I hope you can see that all right. It's not the easiest bit of the car to film. I'm not using a pressure washer, I'm just using my hose. Don't worry about the mess on the inside of the car. I've just come back from a road trip, so all that needs to be cleaned, which I'll do later. So first thing I do is just rinse it. Now I've got a detailing brush in a bucket of clean water, but let's just use a bit of foam. And then just get in and clean all those little nooks and crannies. Start at the top, work your way down. And I don't know how you guys do this or what products you use, but it'd be good to put it in the comments below. Rinse that out. One door jamb clean and protected. And what I like about that, like I said before, with spray on rinse off, the product gets everywhere. So all the little nooks and crannies, behind the bits of rubber, round back there, it gets everywhere. So nicely protected. So what I'll do now, I'll do the door jamb and the inside of the back door. apologies if the camera work isn't all that great, but I'm giving you the best I can. So rinse down. Spray. Yeah, only takes a couple of minutes, well worth doing. Again, I have to apologise for the camera, but I'm doing the best. Getting in your way, just tell me to move out of the way. I've got a bucket. Now you've obviously got to be careful not to get too much in the car. You're bound to get a few splashes, but no problem. I've got to clean the inside next anyway, so there we go. Very quick and dirty video, just showing you how I have cleaned and protected my door jambs. I don't do that with the bonnet or the boot because there's less intricate parts there, and I can get rid of that spider. I can get everywhere with a spray wax. So there we go. Like I said, quick and dirty video. Hope that's of use to you, and I'll be really interested to see what you guys do with your door jambs, how you wash them and how you protect them. So drop it down in the comments below. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.